flight in full moon's light. Witches cackle in the night. Cobwebs weave a silver plight. Haunted trees filled with fright. No need to fear, we're all right here, crafting wonder clear and bright. Cats and spiders, centaurs near, paper magic in the night. Mystic potions bubbling green, fairy lights in skies unseen. Monsters dance, they're never mean, Halloween's enchanting scene. Come and join the spectral cheer, fold and cut, no need to fear. Paper miracles appear, crafting magic everywhere. Crafting wonder clear and bright. Cats and spiders, centaurs near, paper magic in the night. Snack is coming soon. Sweet spider girl with webs of silk dresses up, no time to milk. Threads of haunting shadows dance in her dress, a ghostly trance. Centaur lives where trees do twist, foggy fields in moonlit mist. Magic blooms in eerie prairie, nighttime whispers quite contrary. Purple cat with paws so swift mixes berries, gives a lift. Jars of sweetness, bubbling brew, mystic flavors just for you. Spider girl with eyes so bright spins her down in the dead of night. Patterns weaving, threads that gleam, costumes from a stitched up dream. Centaur runs through twilight's grace, in the forest finds his place. Who's that echo through the dark, leaves a trail, a mythic mark. Tales from far off lands, teapot steaming brew so sweet. Centaurs live where knowledge meets. Pumpkin vines and apples red, secrets in each page that's read. Magic whispers through the air, fir trees tall and tales they share. Centaurs dance and lanterns glow, mystic winds begin to blow. Guardians of books and lore, in the night they gently soar. Underneath the moon's soft gaze, forest paths a swirling maze. Herbs and leaves in autumn's hand, centaurs roam this haunted land. Candles flicker, shadows play, mysteries of night and day. Softly hums an ancient song in the library where dreams belong. Pumpkins smiling through the night, stars that twinkle fairy light. In this realm of books by spider's bed. She's the star of this grand show. Magic in her every flow. All who see her cannot flee, captivated by her glee. Halloween night so spooky, magic fills the air. Lilac cat so kooky, Jim stand over there. Pumpkin jars are glowing, pine cones sweet divine. Apple jams are flowing, such a starry sign. Mystical and merry at the lilac cat stand, selling trees so rary in this Halloween land. Candles lit around us, whispers fill the breeze. Mystic treats surround us, pumpkin pine cone please. Magic in each bottle, flavors oh so grand. Pine cone apple throttle in the lilac cat's hand. Mystical and merry at the lilac cat stand, selling trees so rary in this Halloween land. Pumpkin jars are glowing, pine cones sweet divine. Apple jams are flowing, such a starry sign.